Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry Lau and today is March the 27th, 2019, Wednesday. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. We are looking at the 60 minutes chart of the ZNF. This is 10-year Treasury notes. And we can see the rally is a classic 5 waves impulse. And from here, from this low here, where we label it as a wave 2 at 122.12, we are currently in the wave 3 rally, okay, in the red degree, also unfolding as a 5 waves. You can see in the subdivision a nice 1 2 3 4, now looking for the 5, and this wave 3 here in the black also subdivided into a lesser 5 waves in the lesser degree, and so on. So this is a very good example of an impulse structure, right? And also a fractal in which all the 5 waves that we see in the wave 3, wave 5, and wave 1 subdivides into another 5 waves in the lesser degree, right? So now we should be looking for the upside, and we're looking for a new high that breaks above wave 3 and should continue to get supported. Alright, and looks like the wave 2 has ended here as well, so we should be looking for more upside now to reach the new high. Now we still can do a double correction like this in the wave 4. Okay, still can happen, but once we break above wave 3, that will suggest that the next leg higher has started. So a break above this wave 3 will confirm that the next leg higher has already continued. And if it does do another double correction like this, then that will find a support in the next 3 swings 100% area for the upside again from there. Okay, so now looking at the higher degree, if I take a look at the weekly chart over here, now we can see that 10-year notes has been declining since 2012. That's a long time ago. July 2012, right? And you can see the decline here is in 3 swings so far. 1 2 3, right? And let's check out the Fibonacci extension. So it sort of ends at the 100% area, which is telling us that this is corrective structures, right? It is a corrective structure, it's not an impulse, because it's only 3 swings at the 100%, and you can see the reaction higher. Now this reaction we saw, the rally that starts from October 2018, this rally is a new cycle that basically corrects this entire decline, right? So it is correcting a 6-year decline in the 10-year notes. Is being corrected as we speak. Now if you take a look at the rally here starting from last year, we can see this gotta be your connector from the lows, right? This gotta be your connector from the lows. So this looks impulsive, so we can label this either a 1-2 or an A and B, right? So this is either a 1-2 or an AB. So for conservative purpose, let's say this is an A and this is a B. So what this is telling us is that we are in the C leg currently, which should be an impulse, and this is what we got. We are within that move over there, which should subdivide into a 5 waves, right? Which should subdivide into a 5 waves. So this is 1 2, and then now we are in the big wave 3 of C. Now if you look at the Fibonacci extension, right? So let me erase this. We should be looking potentially, if we do get a full 100%, we can reach this area, 126, 130, right, to finish this third swing or the select over here, right? And also you can use the retracement. If you retrace from this peak in 2012 to 2018, you will also get around 50% area. So you have an overlap between 50% and 76.4% retracement of this decline, and at the same time you also have a 3 swings extreme area in the same sort of overlap area. So that means that we can continue to expect more rally, and we can continue to expect dips into shorter cycle, dips to keep continue to find support in the sequence of 3, 7, 11 swing, and that's why there is a bullish sequence here in the shorter cycle for more upside towards this 126, 130 area before ending this entire decline. And then from there, now it depends on whether this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a new bullish cycle, or just a correction, APC. But at the least, this should be sort of the minimum target area for the move higher. Now, if this is going to be an APC, then we will get at least a pullback from here in 3 waves at least, right? But if this become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then potentially can even extend higher. But again, I think for conservative purpose, we can assume this is an ABC for now, and then that means we should be looking for more upside towards this area. So shorter cycle, then any dips is going to find buyers for more upside. It is not a sell. You can see in the right side is up with the green color bullish sequence stamp. That means the right side is higher, so we do not like selling it, and we favor the upside in the 10-year notes in any dips until it reaches at least this area, between 126 to around 131 here. Okay, so that's the update for today, and if you like to see further updates in 10-year notes or other instrument, feel free to try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video. And until then, see you again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.